Hey everybody,
hey guys,
welcome to another episode in YaadMentz
Tries.
YaadMentz Tries. Before we tell you what we're doing today, we just want to remind you guys to definitely subscribe if you're new here. I'm Devi and this is Sean.
Yes sir.
If you want to see more from us, more awesome content from YaadMentz, be sure to subscribe
and hit that notification bell as well.
Definitely, so you can see all the updates of all
new videos,
our videos.
Awesome contents.
Yes,
definitely.
Also remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our page on Facebook at YaadMentz.
Everything is YaadMentz.
Yes. So what are we doing today?
So today we are doing Splash. It have a new flavor.
It's Flavor Splash.
From I think it's PepsiCo.
I think it's PepsiCo this
right. And this is cranberry and mango flavor. Normally you have the grape, you have the regular cranberry. What else? You have two other flavors. I think.
You have cranberry, regular cranberry, and cran something else.
Right.
White cran or something like that.
Right. Strawberry.
Strawberry. And of course we did a video on this previously.
Long time ago
when we just started. I feel like it was season 1?
Yeah, it was season 1. We were doing a testing or something like that.
Right. YaadMentz Showdown. Yes. So you guys, we will link that video so you guys can check it out. If you're new and you haven't watched those videos, definitely go and check out them.
So definitely check it out.
Yes.
So today we are trying the cranberry mango flavor splash.
I'm actually very excited to try this. I like Flavor Splash.
They're nice.
And I think mango and what you said the flavor is?
Cranberry.
Mango and cranberry should be interesting, different. So let's go. Ready to try.
See what's happening. I can smell it. It smells nice.
I don't smell it yet. Okay, that's it. Fine. Ooh, it does smell nice for you. Come on, hurry up, man, try it. Like a cheers. Cheers.
12 grams of sugar. Yeah, I like the smell.
Wow. Refreshing.
We had it in the fridge, so it's really cool.
Yeah, refreshing.
It is.
Very refreshing.
Does it remind you of mango peach?
I was just about to say, it kind of reminds me of mango peach.
Yeah, Tropicana, mango peach.
I do taste the mango, I do taste the cranberry, but I feel like I'm tasting peach for some strange reason.
Probably how it mix.
I don't know, but it kind of reminds me of mango peach. Fresh mango peach drink, but
it does have a mango peach vibe.
Good.
It's still good. Yeah.
It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like a flavored water. If you don't live in Jamaica, and you don't know what it is, it's supposed to be like a flavored cran water. So it's not supposed to be like taste like a juice or a drink.
Extremely
It's supposed to be
light and refreshing.
Yeah. Which I think it is. I do like the flavor. I probably still think that grape is my favorite flavor though. But
same here.
It's nice. You guys should definitely try it.
Yeah, I definitely give it a YaadMentz thumbs up.
And I would give it a YaadMentz thumbs up too.
Okay,
yeah, it's cool and refreshing. So you guys should definitely check it out. It is YaadMentz approved.
Yes.
Tell us in the comments if you've tried it before.
If you've seen it.
If you've seen it. If you've seen it in the stores and you like it. Or which flavor of Flavor Splash is actually your favorite flavor. Leave those comments down below.
Yeah.
And also remember to subscribe.
Like, share.
And comment.
Yes.
Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yay!
We will see you in our next video.
Flavor Splash, cran and mango. Yeah. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.